So good morning everyone, let's have a study challenge today. My challenge is to complete the 5 lectures of Pedia and along with solving 2 question banks of surgery. So let's get started. So in Pedia I have completed the normal newborn, the neonatal resuscitation, the necrotizing enterocolitis and neonatal sepsis and respiratory distress in newborn. So my today's target is to complete the neonatal jaundice, the neonatal hypothermia, the neonatal reflexes and normal growth and abnormalities of head size and shape. So let's start reading about the neonatal jaundice. In neonatal jaundice, I read about the incidence, the bilirubin metabolism, the assessment of jaundice, the types of jaundice and causes of jaundice, and about the treatment and the management protocol. Now we study about the neonatal hypothermia and the neonatal hypoglycemia, in which I read about the temperature regulation, hypothermia and the prevention of hypothermia, the neonatal hypoglycemia and the congenital malformations. Then I watched the lecture of the neonatal reflexes, HIE, that is hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, and the neonatal seizures. So today's lecture number 3 is completed, that is neonatal reflexes, HIE and neonatal seizures. So in neonatal reflexes we read about the palmar grafts, rooting reflex, Morris reflex and asymmetric tonic neck reflexes, and about the postnatal reflexes like symmetric tonic neck reflexes, parachute reflexes and Lennox reflexes. I will show you a video of parachute reflexes, how it happens. Then I watched lecture number 4, that is normal growth. After watching 4 lectures, I had a lunch and then I sleep 1 or 2 hours and do some random stuffs. Now I am going to the college library to sit there and do my remaining work. I reach to the college and sit comfortably to watch another lecture, in which I read about the abnormalities of head size and shape of a children's. Then I switch to the question bank, for which I have to read first about the topic, that is the breast. Then I feel hungry, we decided to eat momos. After eating momos, I come back and sit to do question bank. After solving the question bank, I feel tired and think I should go to my home. So finally it's 10:30 at night. I reached my home. I completed all my targets of watching 5 lectures of Pedia and solving 2 question banks of surgery. I solved 1 question bank very properly and in soundful mind, but 1 question bank I solved little. ठीक है कोई ना. If you like this video, please comment, share with your friends to motivate them to study.